Bihana Didi wins Norman Borlaug Award for introducing rice variety, fondly called Bihana Didi seed lady by local communities in Odisha. Agriculture scientist Swati Nayak has begun to reap the fruits of having lived in tribal villages with farmers and understanding their actual needs. Now with the International Rice Research Institute, Mrs. Nayak won the Borlaug Award for field research and application, a unique distinction where usually breeders walk away with such awards. Taking India back to the drawing board. Its political motivations aside, the Constitution Bill 2023, which promises 33% reservation for women in the Lok Sabha and in the legislative assemblies of states and the National Capital Territory of Delhi. Article 81 of the Constitution says that each state gets seats in the Lok Sabha in proportion to population. The new parliament building appears ready to house over 800 MPs in the Lok Sabha.
Team from Telangana visit Buddhist cave in Sri Lanka. A Buddhavanam team from Telangana visited the 3rd century BC Buddhist rock-cut cave at Mathale on Columbia Candy Route in Sri Lanka on Sunday. Buddhist expert consult visited the site where the teaching of Lord Buddha were scribbled from the first time on palm leaves. Buddhavanam project is a massive Buddhist heritage theme park developed by the Telangana government at Nagarjuna Sagar.
Tamil Nadu, Kerala to join hands to quote endangered Nilgiri Tar. After launching Project Nilgiri Tar last year for the conservation of the state animal, Tamil Nadu is now working on a standardized protocol to count the endangered population of southern India's only mountain ungulate. The Tamil Nadu Forest Department will also propose to its Kerala counterpart to conduct a synchronized census as the animal is only found in select habitats in the two states. Besides anthropogenic pressure, Nilgiri Tar habitats face threats from invasive plants such as wattles, pines and eucalyptus in the grasslands. Army's Project Udbhav to rediscover Indic heritage of statecraft from ancient texts. The Indian Army has started an initiative named Project Udbhav to rediscover the profound Indic heritage of statecraft and strategic thoughts derived from ancient Indian texts of statecraft, warcraft, diplomacy and grand strategy in collaboration with the United Service Institution of India, a defense think tank. The project endeavors to explore India's rich historical narratives in the realms of statecraft and strategic thought, criminal law bills and a hollow decolonization. In introducing the 3 criminal law bills in 2023 and earlier while setting up the Committee for Reforms of Criminal Law in 2020, a lot was said about the decolonization that this bill will bring about. In the major changes that have been introduced in the bills, there are threats that severely compromise people as well as arm the state against them, mistrust that appear almost be in opposition to the citizens. Increasing terms of punishments across the board as the BNS does while broadening police powers borrows heavily from the logic of colonial criminal law. Pierre Agostini, Frank Warza and Annie Houllier had been awarded the 2023 Physics Nobel Prize. The experimental development of short optical pulses have been intimately related to technical development in laser technology. From 1987, Dr. Houllier found, explained and refined the principles of protecting attosecond light pulses. Electrons in matter move very fast, interacting on the other of a few hundred interactions. Attosecond physics deals with ways to capture these interactions. Also in 2001, Dr. Quantz and co-isolated a single pulse of 650 attoseconds duration. NASA's first asteroid samples land on Earth after release from spacecraft. NASA's first asteroid sample fetched from deep space parachuted into the Utah Desert on Sunday to cap a 7-year journey. In a flyby of Earth, the Osiris-Rex spacecraft released the sample capsule from 1 lakh kilometers out. The small capsule landed 4 hours later on a remote expanse of military land as the mothership set off after another asteroid.
Reminds from Binnu, we have touched down. Flight control announced immediately, repeating the news since landing occurred a few minutes early. Scientists estimate the capsule holds at least cup of repel from the carbon-rich asteroid known as Binnu, but won't know for sure until the container is opened.
Capturing the rain. For the time since 2018, India has reported a deficit monsoon. From June-September this year, India received 82 centimeters of rainfall, nearly 6% lower than the 89 centimeters that is considered normal beginning April. There were enough indications that the monsoon would be subdued with El Nino on the horizon.